seen a grown woman look so grown and so good at the same time? You looking at it right now. Huh? Huh? Let me move my bag, I can't hear you. Huh? It's too good. It's too good. I look too good. Hi, beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm looking the fuck good for y'all. I got this grown woman style inspired by Arrogant Tay and JT. And then also a little bit of like, I've been wanting to do a bang like this for a long minute. One that's like curled more, not so much this layered bump vibe. I'm so glad now that I know I look so good with this little bang that I can now do a bang again and do it the way I have been wanting to. But for now, I'm so glad that JT gave me some inspiration to do this style because I've been putting it off for a while. So shout out to JT, Arrogant Tay. It was her birthday. This is one of her birthday styles. I just feel so grown. I feel so grown. Shout out to JaLeah Xalipearl hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video because y'all can't even tell, but I didn't pluck anything. This unit came so ready to wear. It was wild. Let's get into everything. Like, I'm so excited to get into it. I really look good. Let's get into the tutorial.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
I'm in it for the skin. Get into the skin. That's why I came on here bare face. Like, get into the skin. Today's unit is coming from JaLeah Xalipearl hair. I really love when they give me a good old box. Like, this is a good old box. Let's get into everything that came in the box. Now, of course, you're getting your wig cap, your elastic band, and your edge brush, and some lashes. And this unit does come curled already, which I thought was very cunt. However, it was not necessarily the style I was going for. So I also want to take a second to say, look, this is what the wig looked like out the box. I remember there was a time in my career where I had to curl the wig. Now the wig's coming curled. Like I said, that wasn't necessarily the style I'm going for today, so I went ahead and gave it a little flat arm. And the hair flat arm, beautiful. The curls were so cute as I was flat iron. It was kind of hard to let them go, but once I did, this is what I got. I mean, the hair is flowy. It's full from rip to tip in real life. Like, that's kind of crazy. And it didn't have to be because it came curled, you know? Like, they could have been trying to hide something, but like, I didn't cut not narrow hair on this wig. I'm about to throw her on and get to installing. I don't got no makeup on because I'm going to be gluing my unit. I plan on having this unit on all weekend, so I like to put on my glued units with no makeup on, just for the base to be as clean and seamless as possible. Ooh, got my hair in some plaits in the back, and that's how my hair is. I'm gonna use this Erica J skin protectant, skin guard. No, but I'm not using my Erica J glue. I'm gonna be using this gummy glue because I found it. When's the last time y'all seen some gummy glue? Shout out to I'ma Slay Your Bae. What was she trying to take people's money? That ain't got nothing to do with this. I've had this glue for some years. I think I'm gonna install this wig by cutting off the lace first. I don't know, I'm feeling kind of adventurous. Like I wanna cut the lace off and install the wig. I don't know. For it being a full 13x4 frontal. Usually I have some problems with these because the way they're made isn't necessarily for a head, but full 13x4 all the way. But I can see there's a little bit of a lifting going on. Let me see if I tighten up this elastic band in the back, if that lifting in this front part goes away, because that'll let us know where we're gonna go with this install. I lied, I'm gonna do my 3 slits. It keep getting hot and then it keep getting cold and then it keep getting hot. So if y'all see me in and out this shirt, that's why. Anybody else got a little cold? I just got over my little cold I had. This hair is long. This hair is supposed to be 24 inches. It's giving 26 easy. I don't want to cut it because it's so full from root to tip. But like, you want supposed to be this long. Let me do my 3 slits, push it on back, and do 2 layers of glue. It's been really nice taking a Beyonce experience with me everywhere. Can't lie to you. Y'all watched the movie, that 3-hour long ass movie? She just like me. She had to sit there for 3 hours and talk about so much shit and didn't give us nothing new. I mean, I really did enjoy the parts about like the stage and like all the, you know, all the levels of the stage went through. All the people that came into making the stage, like that part. But even then, it's like we didn't get much. Mysterious private queen, like I'm kind of jealous. Layer 2. And another thing she discussed that like really stuck with me, and I'm trying, like I'm in the process of already doing, just so happened to release this movie and share the process with us. She was talking about finding joy in the process, and like things don't happen overnight. It took for her 4 years to conceptualize the Renaissance era. That's a long fucking time. Especially in like today's climate where like everything is like next new thing right now, next new thing, you know? It's just nice to just find joy in the process. Always have a little napkin with some water on it so you can wipe off your spatula and not have it sticking to everything. 3 layers. I really want this wig to be on this weekend. I don't want that narrow issue. Once this 3rd layer dries clear, I'm about to just press on the wig as it is. I got 3 sections, but I'm just gonna toss it on all the way. That's what I'm feeling like is the best way to go about this. And also, I'm gonna be getting rid of some of this front because y'all know how I feel about the pre-plucked wigs. They pre-plucked, love that for me. This middle part be a little OD. Somebody get me in the stew. And I wanna be careful not to tug because when you tug, it creates ripples. So just like lightly lifting and placing is what my goal is here. I'm about to start using my palm to just press in to the lace. Okay, whatever. Before I cut off my lace, let's get these ear tabs out because, yeah. As for this little front portion, I'm just gonna make a little bit one of these, little part in it, and see where that's at where I've glued, and just get rid of the excess lace. This seems about right. It just looks a lot better than overplucked front. I ain't gonna lie, my hair has not looked this good in a minute. Are we moving back to glued installs? Every section I see that's just a little bit lifted up, I'm gonna grab a little bit of glue, got a little dot on my napkin. I'm gonna use my rat tail comb, that's small. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue wherever I'm lifting at, because I wanna use as minimal spray as possible. Oh, I ain't got no time to be falling out my seat now. So I did this side a little differently than I did this side. I wish I would have been paying more attention, because I love when my hair does a little, you know, but this side's kind of just, I'm more of a part on this side. So that's why I'm like, I'm gonna let it be different. I'm just using my palms to really make sure the lace is really pressed into it. It's also gonna utilize the warmth from my hand for me not to have plucked it or bleached it. Oh. I'm about to do my makeup. I will be recording a TikTok doing it. Sorry, I don't know where my scarves is at. I got a new one, but I feel like I have so many scarves, like I'm not busting open a new one. Let me find one. I'll be back with a beat face and a melted lace. The face is sitting. What can I say? What can I fucking say? I'm gonna take this band off really quick because I've been making a TikTok recording the makeup and it's about that time to... I'm really glad I didn't get no makeup on my lace. Like, that's literally what I wanted. This is my hair, like I knew it would be. Like, stop it. Now you're here like you've been. Just what I need. So good. Sorry, y'all, I had to look that Whitney right out for show because don't be miss Whitney. I took my lip off because I'm still doing my hair and the lip was kind of for TikTok purposes, and I hope my TikTok turned out good. If you're wondering how I do my makeup, there's a TikTok that I filmed about it. So, and this will be like my 3rd time filming me doing makeup. So this one has to go up. Let's get to like transferred over this part because I'm knowing I'm gonna have a side part. Whether I do the style I had in mind or not, I don't be wanting to tell y'all what style I got in mind because I be not doing it. My whole dilemma right now is that the hair is so pretty. I don't even want to cut it. There's like not enough pictures of this hair, but I've been wanting to do like a bang, fringe, shaggy, feathered moment for a little minute. And I'm gonna cut the hair just a little bit shorter. Not too much shorter because the hair is pretty long. I didn't know it was gonna be this long. Probably gonna cut it like right here. A little concealer in my part real quick. A little rubbing action with my finger. Oh, let's cut the hair. I'm stalling for so long. I wish I had a new razor because I feel like a razor would be really good, but I'm gonna use scissors. And then I'm just gonna add a little point cut like this to just get rid of some of that density in the hair now that I've cut it so bluntly. And this just takes the weight off the bottom a little bit. Now already it just looks a lot less dense on the ends, but still very full, just as it was before. Now we're kind of giving more grown woman. I think I'm gonna just go in and start layering. OMG, 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 OMG. And then I saw like, it looks so natural because like the front was kind of layered like as well. I'm just gonna add a light layer up there in the front. Okay, it's time for the bang. I'm just taking this little front section. I'm really just guesstimating. I've never done no shit like this before. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little eyebrow razor for this. I think that'll just do better. I'm just gonna do it? I don't know. I'm just doing it. Oh, I did it. I'm just gonna add some more layers to the rest of the hair that is in the bang. This is cunt. I cannot lie to y'all. This is cunt. And with the eyebrow razor, it's perfect. Like it's adding that, it's giving that perfect shaggy look. So I think I'm gonna do it on this side too. I don't want too much of the short pieces in front because it's just supposed to be like, oh, this is my natural hair. That's why the pieces in the front are short. This is an adrenaline rush. I'm not gonna lie to y'all because I don't know how it's about to turn out. And I guess now we're just gonna add a little bit of a bump. I'm gonna just do this as a tester and see what this does. Go through and begin bumping like the ends. Hers wasn't as bumped, but that's fine. Repeating and just bumping the ends really quick. Y'all probably don't want to watch this, but that's all I'm doing. A little bit of one, a little bit of this. Bit of that. That's it. And I'll come back when I'm to the front bang portion. We can figure that part out together. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I feel very grown. Let's go in. Now that I have my little layered section and my ends is bumped, you can see how this side is kind of given. I want this side to give the same feel. I'm going in with my Conair, and I'm not tilting it too much. Just enough at an angle so that a curl forms. Nothing too wild though. Oh, I'm scared. That one a little bit more that way. It's the moment of truth, it's bang time. Okay, maybe I just need to do this little front part again. Oh, yeah. And now it's time to just get a little hot comb so that it faces down a little bit. Oh, what? Oh, this is super cunt. Oh, just a little layer bang action. This what happens when you face your peers, y'all. You look really cunt. Oh, hold on. Let me put my lip on. Let me put my lip on. Never had a bitch like me in life. Y'all, hello. Aw, I thought somebody who didn't know how to cut a bang said something. Y'all, I feel very cunt. Let's zoom out, let's zoom out. I feel like I wore this on my channel before, but y'all, I feel like I'm giving Aaliyah, not JT, because the bang is so banging, but it's cunt either way, y'all. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop touching it because I think the point is to be a little bit more messy, and I'm gonna ignore the fact that I'm like only one eye working right now. How you mad at me? Cause I'm cunt, bitch. How you mad at me? Cause I run shit. Why she snap like that? Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I'm so glad I stepped outside my comfort zone today and I attempted the bang like I wanted to. I think I've been like letting fear stop me from doing things. But shout out Beyonce for saying enjoy the process. I sure the fuck did. I really did, actually. I feel very good. I look very good. Hope you guys try this style out yourselves. Shout out this frontal, shout out this hair because it's so good. Like, everything about this has been so great. Shout out Pro for this unit, it's my today's video. I look good. Be sure to check out my TikTok. I should record a video on this hair instead of the makeup because it turned out so good, but maybe, who knows, we'll see. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to go. I look so good. I gotta go somewhere looking fit. I'll see you on my next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna probably fix up these bangs real quick before I go anywhere, actually. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Let me move my bangs so I can say bye. Bye, beautiful.